Hi there, I'm Matteo from Tech Travel Geeks, and today we're in Berlin where Honor have just had an event. They just launched Pocket Vision, an accessibility app which helps users look up content and have a better experience in terms of accessibility, and that app is now available in the Huawei App Gallery. As well as Pocket Vision, Honor also announced the Icelandic White version of the Honor 20 Pro. This is a stunning colour variant of the Honor 20 Pro, which reminds me a bit of Breathing Crystal by Huawei and the Huawei P30 Pro. It has a bit more of a pink tone to it, but it's a stunning pearlescent white to pink device which will change colour depending on how and what tone of colour hits the device. As you can see, I'm changing the angle of it, and accordingly you'll get a bit of reflection, but also a bit of change in the colour tones that's going through the device. It is truly stunning. And as I said, it does remind me of the Huawei P30 Pro Breathing Crystal colour that I do like so much. So this is, as I said, the Honor 20 Pro in Icelandic White. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't already, please do like this video and subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks. We might do an Honor Fortnite code giveaway at some point in the coming months. But for now, subscribe to us, like our video, and enjoy the Icelandic White Honor 20 Pro. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.